What's going on, guys? Today is an exciting video because today we are going to be installing headlights on the Civic today. I don't know why the previous owner painted this engine bay blue, but it is, so I'm just going to leave it for now. I don't know if you guys seen, I'll send a little clip right here. I actually got rid of those lights and I bought new ones as of right here. So these are the new ones. They're a little bit dirty because I actually driven them just to test them out. But these are the new ones right here. I'm very excited to put these on because they just look 10 times better. Old ones literally cracked and actually the housing inside broke, so it could actually not even project light into it. So this is definitely an upgrade. I already got the bumper off and everything. It's sitting right over there. Should be fairly simple to install those lights. I just need to place this thing in and then just put it where the holes are already here. Pretty simple as that. Oh God, I think I just stepped on it. Luckily I ain't using that, but I accidentally stepped on the bulb. And just like that, the headlights are on. I haven't put the bumper on yet just to test out the lights, and they do work. Turn this on. I also put LEDs in there just to make sure that these things were nice and bright compared to the other ones that I previously had. Before the lights didn't even work, so this is 10 times better already. But look at that, they're nice and bright. Obviously it's in daylight, so you can't really see that much. That's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna end it off here because I'm not gonna put the bumper on just yet because I am currently trying to redo this lip, and that will be for another video for another day. Let me know what you guys think. Please stay tuned for the series. I'm very excited for this series, so let me know what you guys think. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time in the next one.